Hello guys, welcome to Eazy-Tech Solutions. My name is Michael. So in this particular video today, I'll be showing you how to develop a Forex trading website, just as you are seeing on my screen right now. So I'll be showing you how to create this type of website. This is an awesome website with lots of features. Okay, so before I get started showing you how to create this type of website, I will first of all show you all the features of this particular website and also how the website work. Okay, so after showing you the necessary features on how to manage the website, so I will thereby teach you how to create this type of website in case you need it for your project. Okay, so this is a very awesome website with awesome features. I'll be showing you all the features which you will get from this particular website. So as you can see, the front end, it has a very beautiful front end design. Okay, so it has we have the home, about us, services, the FAQ, the contact us, and then we have the get started. Okay, so it has a very beautiful design, so everything is customizable. You're able to customize it easily. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is how the user dashboard looks. So I'll be showing you everything you need to know on how to manage this type of website. All right, so first of all, before we get started, we have to create an account. Okay, so we have to create an account because I will be guiding you through all the processes on this particular website to make everything easy for you in case you need this particular website for your project. So everything will be easy for you, able to understand how the features and the functionalities of the website work. Okay, so if you want to create an account, you see over here we have get started, then we have login. Okay, so to create an account, you have to click on get started. Okay, so we have to fill our name. Okay, I'll fill my name here, then my username. All right, so I'll put my email address. So I'll come over here now, I'll copy this particular email address I want to use. Okay, so I'll paste, then I'll put my phone number. Okay, let's say this is my phone number, then select country. I have to select country as Nigeria. Then I'll type my password. Okay, so I'll click I've agreed to the terms and conditions. I'll click on register. Okay, it says success, your registration was successful. All right, so you see here, it says verify your email address. A verification link has been sent to my email address. Please check the button on this message to confirm your email address. So blah blah blah. So I will come over here now. So this is the message. As you can see, registration info. Okay, so this is the code. So I have to click here now. Click on the link below to verify your account. Okay, so I will click here. Awesome. I will click here. Then I will come over here and copy the code. I will copy the code and paste here. Okay, your account has been verified, so I'll click on OK. So I'll have to log in now since we have successfully verified the account. Say login into account, sign in into your account using your email and password. Cool. Let me come over here and copy the email again. Okay, I'll type my password. Awesome. Click on login. All right, so as you can see, we have successfully created an account on this particular Forex trading website. Okay, so once a user register into his or her account, this is how he's going to see his dashboard. As you can see, we have various features. We have various menu over here, which the user is going to see once he or she register on this particular platform. Okay, so I will be explaining everything on how this particular website work, how you're able to fund users' accounts, how user will be able to request withdraw from this particular website, how to trade, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'll be guiding you through all the processes which you will see live on this particular video. So once a user creates account, so this is the dashboard, this is the user dashboard which the user will be directed to. Okay, so as you can see, you are seeing this particular section. I say complete your account info. All right, so the user needs to complete his or her account information. So to do that, you just need to click here. Okay, so once you click here, you see account information. So this is the user's withdrawal information. So the user need to first of all complete his withdrawal information by placing his or her account number, and then we have Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, Cash App tag, PayPal email. Okay, so those are the information the user need to fill once he or she register on this particular website. So in case you want to make place withdrawal on this particular account, so automatically it will be asked to select the available payment method which the user fill on this particular account info session. Okay, then Swift code. All right, so the user have to fill his or her Bitcoin wallet address over here. Okay, so let's say this is my Bitcoin wallet address. The Ethereum wallet address is my Ethereum wallet address. Then we have the Cash App tag. So let's say, okay, then PayPal email. So I'll use the same email. So let me come over here and copy this email. Okay. Oh, sorry, I need to close this tab. Okay, so I will paste the email here, then I'll click on update profile. Okay, profile detail updated successfully. So I'll click on OK. Awesome. So let's go back to the dashboard. All right, so as you can see, the info update message is not showing on the user dashboard because we have already updated the user information. Okay, so this is the user dashboard. This is where the user is going to place let's say you want to trade any crypto. Let's say you want to trade this, where he or she will do all his or her transactions. So as you can see, we have a demo account here also, which the user can decide to play with. Okay, then we have the real account. Okay, so the user will have to select either you want to use the real account to trade or the demo account. Okay, so the user have to select the market. As you can see, we have 3 markets over here. We have the cryptocurrency, we have the stock, we have the indices. Okay, so let's say for example we want to trade crypto, then we have the pair. Okay, whether it's USDT slash BTC, USDT slash Ethereum, and so on and so forth. Let's say we want to use this particular one, then the time. Okay, let's say for example 1 minute, then you have to put the trade amount. As you can see on the user dashboard right now, we currently have zero capital. We have $0 on capital. We have $0 on accumulated balance. Then we have profit. We also have 0. Okay, so I will show you how to fund this particular account. Okay, and then also I'll also be showing you how to deposit money on this particular account as a user. Okay, in case you want to deposit money, so I will show you how to deposit. All right. Then I will show you the various function of this particular menu you are seeing right here. So on this particular session, we have the market overview, which is the market cap. So you're able to see live cryptocurrency prices on this particular session. All right. So this is the market overview. So the user are able to see the trading, the crypto trading markets. All right. So then over here we have the deposits. So in case the user want to deposit money into his or her account, so this is where it's going to do that. All right. So we have various deposit method that the user will be able to select from. So as you can see, we have a BTC, we have a Ethereum, USDT, then we have a UTC. Okay, so the user will select his or her preferred deposit method. Then we have over here we have fund transfer. All right, so I will show you how this particular fund transfer work. Okay, let's say in case a user he has money in his or her profit account, but he want to transfer it to the capital account, so he's going to select this particular one to do that. Okay, so we'll type the amount you want to transfer, then automatically once you click on transfer, the money on the funds on the profit account will be transferred to the capital account. Okay, so same thing with this particular one. Is a bonus to capital. Okay, in case a user have some funds in his or her bonus account, so we can transfer to the capital account. Okay, so you don't need to click on type the amount you or she want to transfer to the capital account. And then once you click on transfer, the money will be moved to the capital account. All right. Then over here we have the withdrawal. Okay, so in case the client wants to place withdrawal, so this particular session, this is where he or she is going to do that. So we have a select balance type. Okay, so if the fund is currently in capital account, it's going to select this first one. If it's profit account, if it's bonus account, we select whichever one the funds he or she want to withdraw, where it is located. Okay, then we have the select asset. So the user will have to select the withdrawal method, okay, where he or she want to receive his money. Okay, so that's for that. Then we have the history. So all the transaction, all the activities that will be going on this particular account. So everything will be showing over here on the history section. So that's for that. We have packages. So in this particular Forex trading website, the admin will be able to create various packages. Let's say we have over here, we have the silver $500 to $499. Okay, so we have a weekly interest. So this is a kind of investment, so the user can also invest in this particular Forex and trading website. So there's a kind of an investment plan, investment platform attached to it also. All right, so the user can invest and then get weekly or monthly interest. All right, so that's for this particular session. So I will show you from the admin dashboard how to create the packages, okay, which is also known as the investment plan. So I will show you from the admin dashboard to be able to create or edit the existing ones. All right, then over here we have the signals. Okay, in case you are giving out premium signals to your users, so this is where you're able to indicate the amount. All right, so users are able to buy signals from you. All right, we have a 1-month plan, direct trading signal from that's a brokerage. We have a 24/7 access to trading, increase assets and leverage up to 7 times. Okay, then the price now is 1,500. Okay, for this particular signal you are selling is for 1,500. So the user can click on this particular section now to buy the signal plans. So we have a 1 month plan, we have 2 months, we have a 3 month plan. So depending on what the user wants, so they're able to buy, and then you'll be giving them signals. Then over here also we have the AML/KYC verification. All right, so this is the verification process which the user need to complete. All right, so this as you can see here is a nice investor Michael. To comply with regulation, each participant is required to go through identity verification, KYC/AML, to prevent fraud. Okay, so this is a kind of verification process which a user will have to undergo. Okay, but it's not mandatory. It's not mandatory depending on what you are working on. Okay, so you can tell the user to to verify their identity. Okay, click on get started, then you say begin with your ID verification to comply with regulation, each participant. Okay, blah blah blah. So we have a first name, last name, email, gender, country. Okay, country code, we have a country phone number, then blah blah blah, then click on next. Okay, so this is just a simple verification process which the user have to follow through. All right, then over here we have the settings, so it will still take you back to the profile details. Okay, we have the avatar. The user will be able to upload his or her picture. Okay, let me just select something. Okay, let me just select this. Okay, then I'll click on upload. Okay, awesome. So as you can see right here, so this is the cartoon pictures I uploaded. It's now showing on the app on the profile picture. Okay, so let's fund this account right now. So we're going to deposit some money on this particular account. Then we'll go to the admin dashboard and approve the deposit so that we can have some money on this particular user account we just created. Okay, so to do that, we'll click on deposit. All right, so once you click on deposit, we'll select the deposit method. So let's say BTC. So it said, as you can see over here, it says amount, which is amount in a BTC. Okay, let's say we are depositing 0.019. Okay, 0.019 BTC. So you click on make payments. All right, so you see payment confirmation. You see your order number is, so this is your order number as replaced successfully. Please copy 0.029 BTC, which is $815 to the address below. The balance will appear in your account only after transaction will get confirmed by our team. Payment, okay, say payment to the following BTC wallet address. Okay, so the user will have to copy this particular wallet address and make payment of 0.029 BTC. Okay, which is equivalent to $815. Okay, so let's say the user have made the payment, so we just have to click on confirm. All right, so that's for that. So there is one awesome features I would tell you about this particular website. All the activity that the user is performing on his or her account, the admin will get email notification. All right, so the website will automatically notify the admin through email, so that you will get all the information, everything that is going on the website. You're able to go to the admin dashboard and start processing all the users' requests. All right, so you can link your Gmail to the admin of this particular website. So therefore, all the activities, if a user register, so the website will automatically notify you on your email. If a user is placing a withdrawal, if a user is in making a deposit, so everything that is going on this particular website, the website will automatically notify you. All right. So right now, as you can see, this is the history session. So our deposit now is pending. Okay, so that's why you see the status here showing pending. So we'll have to go over to the admin dashboard and approve this particular transaction. So to do that, I will go to the admin session. So this is the admin session. I log in the admin session in another browser. So this is the admin session. This is how the admin session look. So those are the current registered user on this particular website. So to approve deposit right now, I'll have to go to this particular session. Okay, so this session here, this is deposit history. So I have to click on deposit history. Okay, so as you can see, this is the deposit of $815. As you can see, it's currently pending. So I have to click on approve. Okay, so once I click on approve, the deposit will appear in the user dashboard. So as you can see, this is the user dashboard. It's currently showing 00. All right, so let's go back to the admin dashboard now and approve. Okay, we'll click on OK. Awesome, transaction approved successfully. You'll click on OK. So let's go back to the user dashboard now and refresh this particular page. Awesome guys. So as you can see, the deposit of $815 is now active. It's now showing on the user account. So let's go back to history right now and see the status. Okay, so as you can see, it's showing approved here right now. So we have successfully funded this particular user's account. So the next thing we'll do right now is we are going to trade. All right, we are going to trade on this particular user account so that you see how the trading work. All right, so to trade now, we have to come over here and select the account type. We'll select our rate account. Then we'll come over here and select the market. So I'll choose stock. So I'll come here, how many minutes? So let's say, for example, 1 minute. Then total trade amount. So let's say we are trading with $100. Okay, so we are trading with $100. So let's say we are buying. So I'll click on buy. Okay, successful. Your trade request was successful. All right. So as I said earlier, all the transaction, everything that the user is performing on his or our website, the admin will get notification. So let's go to the admin email right now so that you will see all the email notification that has been sent to the admin. Okay, so this is the admin email. So as I said earlier, so if someone creates an account, so this is when we created that particular account. If a user make a deposit, so the website will also notify the admin through email. All right, so that's that. Then we have okay, somebody make a trade request. So if a user place trade, okay, so the website will also send an email to the admin. So all the transaction going on the website will update the admin through email notification. All right, so that's for that. Then so for us to we place a trade of $100. So we're having $815 here earlier, but because we place a trade of $100, so we are now having $715. All right, so let's go to history right now. Okay, so as you can see, our trade of $100 is currently pending. All right, so let's approve this trade now from the admin dashboard. So we'll go back to the admin dashboard and approve this particular trade. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. Then we'll locate Okay, we'll locate trade count. So once we click on trade count over here, this is where we're able to see the trading. Okay, so this is the trading. So it's currently, excuse me, so it's showing pending over here. So we need to approve this trade now. We need to like set either the winning or the loss on this particular trade. So to do that, first of all, we need to copy the transaction ID of the trade. Okay, so we'll copy the transaction ID. So we have to select the particular account. So this is the account. Then we have trade 1. So we said 1 trade. Then trade loss, we'll put 0. Then over here we have the trade status. We'll put 1. Okay, so we'll place the transaction ID here. We'll paste it here. Then we'll click on update. Okay, so we have set this particular trade now to 1. Okay, so if it's lost, then you have to choose loss over here, which is if you want the trade to show loss on the user account, so you have to select loss over here, but we want it to show as win, okay, on the user account. That's why we selected win over here. So let's go back to the user account now and refresh. So we'll go back to the user account and refresh. Okay, so it's now showing 1 over here. So the next thing that we need to do now is that we need to, fund the user and profit account. Okay, as you can see over here now, the profit is showing 0. Okay, and it's not supposed to be so. So we have to fund since the user won the trade. So we have to fund the user account with his or her profit. So to do that, we'll go back to the admin dashboard. Then we'll go to fund profit. All right, we'll click on fund profit. All right, so from fund profit, we'll select the particular account we want to fund. Okay, so we'll select we'll select the particular account, which is this. Then the new profits. Okay, in here is let's say the user gain, let's say $500 as profit. Then bonus, we'll say $50 as bonus. Then we'll come over here and click on fund. Okay, say profit updated successfully. We'll click on OK. Awesome, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. So click on OK. Then let's go back to the user dashboard now and refresh this particular page. Okay, so as you can see right now, this the user accumulated balance is showing $1,265. Okay, the capital is $715, while the profit is showing $500. Okay, the accumulating balance, which is the total of everything plus the $50, which is the bonus we added. So everything is what's showing here as the accumulating balance. Okay, so I said earlier I made measure of fund transfer. Okay, this fund transfer, let me show you how the fund transfer work over here. So let's say this particular profit now, we want it to appear in this particular, we want to move it from this profit. Okay, we want to move it from profit to capital. So that is when we are going to make use of this let's say fund transfer. Okay, so let's say we want to transfer profit to capital. So let's say we want to transfer $100 from profit to capital. Okay, so I'll click on transfer. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. All right, awesome. So as you can see, $100 was removed from the profit account and was added to the capital account over here. So that's how the fund transfer work. Okay, then we have the withdrawal. Okay, so I'm going to guide you through the process now in case a user wants to place a withdrawal from his or her account. So he's going to click on this particular withdrawal session. All right, so it's going to select the particular account he or she want to withdraw from. Okay, as you can see, we have 3 accounts. We have the capital, the profits, then the bonus account. So let's say we want to withdraw from the capital account. So let's say we want to withdraw. Okay, from the capital account now we're having $815. So select assets. So let's say we want to select Bitcoin as our withdrawal method. Okay, so as you can see, this is the same Bitcoin address I added earlier when we first log into the user dashboard. So it's very important that the user fill his or her withdrawal information, okay, so that you will automatically select the withdrawal method once you are placing withdrawal. So let's say you want to withdraw 815, which is the total amount on the capital account, $815. Then I'll click on proceed. Okay, so as you can see right now, before this withdrawal will be complete, so this website is requesting for a withdrawal pin. Okay, only the admin will be able to give the client, okay, or the user this particular withdrawal pin to complete his withdrawal information. To complete his or her withdrawal from this account. Okay, so to get the withdrawal pin now, so we'll go over to the admin dashboard. So we'll go over to the admin dashboard. We'll locate website settings. Okay, so from website settings, we'll see withdrawal pin. Okay, so this is the withdrawal pin that the user needs to complete his or her withdrawal. All right, to complete the withdrawal from his account. So I'll come over here now and paste. All right, so I'll paste and click on submit. Oh, okay, so I set the minimum withdrawal for this particular account to 1,000. So we just have to top up the withdrawal now. Let's say we'll top. You can set the minimum and the maximum withdrawal from the admin dashboard. Okay, so I set this particular one to $1,000. So I need to fund I need to transfer some fund now from the bonus account, from the profits account to the capital account. Okay, let's say I want to add 400. All right, so 400. Okay, let's see how much we're having there now. Okay, we're having 1,215. All right, so let's go back to the withdrawal session again. So select we'll select here, then we'll select Bitcoin. Okay, then we'll select we'll type 1,000. All right, then we'll click on proceed, then paste the same withdrawal pin, then submit. Okay, so as you can see, successful. Your withdrawal of 1,000 is okay, so it's currently on pending. So as you can see, the status is on pending right now. So let me show you something. Let me go to the admin email. As you can see, this is the withdrawal request. The website that automatically sends this particular information to the admin email address. So everything, once the user is requesting for anything from his or her account, the website will automatically update the admin. Okay, you don't need to be checking your website all the time to see what's going on. Okay, you will get email notification on all transaction that is going on the particular account, on a particular user account. So you go over to the admin dashboard and make the necessary changes that you need to make. All right, so that's for that. So let's go. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard now. So we need to approve the user withdrawal. As you can see, it's showing pending here. So let's approve the withdrawal. So to approve the withdrawal now, you come over here and click on withdrawal history. Okay, so this is the withdrawal of 1,000. So click on approve. All right, so this withdrawal have been approved successfully. So that's how to approve withdrawal from a user account. Awesome, guys, awesome. So that's basically everything you need to know. And then, okay, another thing is that, which other one? Okay, the signal session. So I've already talked about the signal session, whereby you'll be giving signals. The user will be paying for signals. We have a monthly, 1 month, 2 plans, 2 months, 3 months, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about this particular website. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to configure this script in case you need it for your project or any form of business, in case you want to start your own Forex trading website. So I'll be showing you how to configure this website on your cPanel. All right, so I'll be showing you the necessary information you need to get started. All right, so thank you very much for staying this long. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification button. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next video. Okay, so welcome to the practical video on how to create Forex trading websites. All right, so as you know already, if you want to create any type of website, the first thing you need to do is to get your domain name and hosting. Okay, so if you have been watching my video, you will know that I normally recommend a Namecheap. Okay, so you head over to Namecheap and search for the particular name you want to use for your website. Let's say let's do something like this. Okay, let's search something like this, for example. Okay, so you can search for the available extension you want to purchase. So let's say, for example, we want to purchase okay, let's say something like this. Okay, let's say we want to purchase this particular easyforextrading.live or easyforextrading.cc or easyforextrading.co.uk. So let's say, for example, we are going for this particular one. We'll click on it. Oh, sorry. So this domain name, we can't purchase this particular domain name. If you want to purchase this domain name, which means you need to contact Namecheap support. All right. So they will be requesting for some legal documents before you're able to purchase this particular domain name. Those type of domain name are placed on high priority. Okay, so they require some certain documents, legal document, before they're able to allow you use such domain name. All right, so I think it's because of the Forex on it. Okay, so Forex is a kind of a big word. So let's say easy trading. Easy trading on Go. All right, so let's just tweak something like this. So let's say we are going for the .com. All right, so as you can see, we're able to purchase this particular one now. So it has been added to our cart. It has been added to cart. So the next thing that we'll need to do right now is to go to hosting. So mind you, I've already created an account on Namecheap already, so I've logged in. So that's why I'm going to go through this particular process. So if you want to follow my step-by-step video guide on how I purchase this particular, I'm going to demonstrate how to purchase this particular domain name and hosting. Make sure you already create an account and the account is logged in before following this my process. All right, so I will go to I'll click on hosting, and from hosting I will select shared hosting. So select shared hosting. So let's say I will click on this particular Stellar plan, which is $1.98 per month. So I'll click on get started. All right, so I'll click on get started. So as you can see, because I've already added this particular domain name to my cart and I'm buying hosting, so automatically they will add this particular domain name to the hosting. Normally I'm supposed to select it, so but they just placed it automatically because the domain name is on my cart, and so they just feel like, okay, two of them are going together. So this, my hosting will be linked to this particular domain name. All right, so the next thing I will need to do, I will click on add to cart. So this is the amount I'll be paying for the domain name and the hosting, which is $32.64. All right, so I'll click on add to cart. Okay, so you can select the year, if it's 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. So, but the minimum year you can buy for a domain name is 1 year. Okay, but you can pay for 1 month hosting, 2 month hosting, but for domain name you can only pay for 1 year. So after confirming your domain name and your hosting and so you click on confirm order. All right, so you click on confirm order. So you have to fill your payment details, or you can add new card if payment if you haven't added any card to your Namecheap account, so you can add new cards, then click on continue, and they'll debit you. So that's how to get domain name and hosting. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just follow through the step and you will get everything right. All right, so but for the purpose of this particular training, I've already gotten a domain name and hosting I'll be using. So I'll be using a subdomain. Okay, I'll be using a subdomain which I've already created. So if you want to create a subdomain, so you just have to scroll down from your cPanel dashboard and click on subdomain. Okay, so you type the name you want to give to your subdomain. Let's say, okay, so let's say then you select the particular domain name you want it to link to. So I'll do something like this. Then you click on create. So that's how to create subdomain. It's very easy to do that. So I'll go to my file manager right now. So from my cPanel dashboard, I will locate file manager. So this is it. So I'll click on it. Then I'll scroll to locate the particular subdomain I'll be using for this training. So this is the subdomain I'll be using. I will click on it. So those particular files you are seeing on it right now, I will have to delete them. I will delete them like this. Okay, skip the trash and permanent delete. So I'll click on confirm. All right, so I want my subdomain to be empty. Okay, just the way you are seeing it right now. So the next thing I will need to do now is to upload the Forex trading file. All right, so to do that, I will click on upload. I'll click on upload, then I'll come over here. So this is the file on my system. So I'll have to drag the file. Okay, so I will drag and drop it here. So as you can see, the file, I'm currently uploading the file on my cPanel. All right, so it's going to take a while to complete. I will just have to pause this video, or I will just have to pause this video and come back once the uploading is complete. Okay, so once the uploading is complete, you will see this particular session here showing green. All right, so the next thing you need to do now is to click over here to go back. Okay, so we have to extract this zip file. So we have to extract the zip file now. To extract, you have to right click, then click on extract. Okay, awesome. So the next step we need to take now is to create our database. So to create database, you have to locate this particular section that says my SQL database wizard. You'll click on it. Then we'll come over here and name our database. Let's say Forex. Okay, as our database name. Then I'll come over here again and use the same name for our database username. So I just have to generate password. I will generate password for our database user. So I will click here. I've saved password in a safe place. So let me come over here now and paste our password on a notepad. Okay, so notepad. I'll paste password here, and I'll click on create user. Okay, so the next thing I will need to do now is to copy this particular information. I'll copy this information. So I'll paste here. Then I'll need to click on all privileges. All right, so it's very important you click on all privileges. Then I'll click on make changes. All right, awesome guys. So we have successfully created our database name and our database user. So we'll click on return home now. So we'll click there. So we'll go back to our cPanel dashboard. So the next thing I will need to do now is to locate PHP my admin so that we're able to import our database file. All right, so I'll click here, PHP my admin. Okay, so once PHP my admin loads up like this, I will have to locate the particular database we created just now, which is this one, which is Forex. So I will click on it. So I will locate import over here. So I will click on import. Then I will click on choose file. All right. So I have to locate the database file. All right. So this is the database file for our Forex trading website. So this is the database file. I'll have to click on it like this. So I'll click on open. Then I'll scroll down and click on go. Okay, awesome guys, awesome. So the next thing we'll have to do right now is to come over to File Manager where we uploaded our script earlier. So we need to do the database configuration. All right. So to do that, you have to locate this particular folder called database. So we have to click on it. Then inside you will see a PHP file called connect.php. All right. So right click, then click on edit. Then edit over here again. All right. So this is where we are required to do our database connection. Okay. So to do that right now, I'll come over here and copy our database user. So as you know already, our database name and our database username, they are the same thing. So no need to come over here again and copy our database name because the user name and the database name are the same thing. All right. So I will come over here. I will change this particular section, this root. I will remove root. I will paste our database and usernames here. Then I will come over here and paste our database name here also. I will come here and paste our database name. Okay. Then I will come over here and copy our user password. So I will copy user password like this. Then I will come over here and play and then paste on this particular section here. So hope you are take note of where I'm pasting this particular password. All right, so I'll paste here like this. Then I'll come here and click on save. Okay, awesome guys. So that's pretty much everything you need to do about the database connection from the cPanel. All right, so the rest configuration, so we'll do that from the admin dashboard. So we need to visit our website right now. So I just have to copy our website link. So let me paste here. Okay, so this is our website link. This is where we uploaded the Forex trading script. So I'll click on enter to load up the site. Awesome. So you can see our website is loading just exactly as I explained to you earlier on that video. So this is exactly what you are seeing right now. So these are our websites. These are our Forex trading website. Okay, so this is the one we just set up with just few click. All right, so with just few click, you will be able to get something as nice as this. Awesome. So the next thing we will need to do right now is to log in into the admin session. All right, so both the user login link and the admin login link are both the same thing. All right, so once you click on login, so I'll provide you with this admin login information. So this is the admin login information. I'll just click on paste here, then I'll copy the password also. Okay, so I'll paste. So then I'll click on login. Okay, so this is the admin login dashboard. Okay, so you can also view the admin you can view the admin dashboard as a user, and you can also view it as admin. All right, so this is the admin dashboard. This is the admin view. All right, so you can also view it as a user. Okay, you can say click. You can click here for user dashboard. Okay, then you can click. You can still go back to the admin dashboard over here. All right, so let's say if you want to see how the user dashboard look like from the admin dashboard, so you can just click here, then it will take you to exactly how the user dashboard look. Okay, so what the next thing you will need to do is to do the settings. That is your website settings. All right, so you just have to click on this particular section that says website settings. So you click on it. All right, so you click on it. Then in this particular section, this is a website name. So you have to put your website name here. Then your website email. So you have to put your website email address here. Then website URL. So you put your website URL here. Then we have the admin email. Okay, so in this particular section, you have to put the admin email where you want to be receiving notification on the activities that is going on your website. Okay, so that's the email you are going to put on this particular section. Then you have to place your Bitcoin address here, your Ethereum address, USDT address, the USDC address. We have the withdrawal pin. Okay, so you can change the withdrawal pin at any time. All right, then over here we have a TDO link. If you want to add live chat, so you paste your TDO link on this particular area. Then your Bitcoin QR code, you have to upload it here. Ethereum QR code, USDT QR code, UDC QR code. Then in this particular section, if you want to change your website logo, so you can make the changes here. Very easy. You don't need to start coding or going to the website and start changing your logo. No, you can easily change your website logo here. All right, So that's pretty much everything you need to do once you upload this particular website. Okay, so the SMTP for this website is automatic. Okay, once you fill those particular website settings, automatically your SMTP will configure itself. You don't need to do any settings from the code or anything. All right, so thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell. Thank you very much. God bless you.